Me take sides because minye busie. Yawo Ghana mamre, yawo Broni mamre. Muntie ni ye. Ghana mamre ne pache se. Onipa bia wo to a wo ya busia dia. Yime me ma me mu ye kwasran. Baby say ye deda no. E ya busia dia. The same time no, ye ko emremu a. Ni ayahye de ka wa mienu a ye no wedded wife no. Ono ni what we call the legitimate wife. Muntie ni ye. It is a legitimate wife no. Ye ko emremu a. She is the sole custodian of the body and the properties of the person who is what? Deceased. It's here two things. And we say you should Ghana mra, and I say you should Broni mra. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be able to check a scene Emma. Ghana's all-time legend in music, Daddy Lumba, Charles Kwadwo Fosu. Okanchine guye. Ghana for achrodo, ye 1 week night vigil. Nipe kwa nipa dom. Na wanya ni nyina echi no, abusuaka se, yahihye ayie eda no. 6th of December. Ewa na ne yire pani no. Wawa Germany no or the injunction atoso. Na injunction no yenkotie ensema wo me ba ye beto aso.
Ora kusi ada asemo akwa baba eye Peace FM so wie. So ubetimi agi atumu ama say a confirm say yes u gina hono ma Akosua Serwaa fosu asimrenim ni.
Nukura pa.
Okay. Ye hun samankrata bi yakin kan bi but mremu asem ne todo bi ana ya yenye mrenim for no ni etie for na ye asum kesene ne so send ye sitie no na chese Akosua Serwaa fosu wo sama eye ebusuapani Victor Owusu eye Priscilla Ofori aka Broni na transition zone sanetie
nukura pepe
dia ni na asempa nti Akosua Serwaa se wo saman sa eye empenfo mienu ni dwumakuo transition
amde na wakati dan nsembisi ama abusuapani lawyer atwe letter bra Akosua Serwaa na letter ni mu no lawyer ni se abusuapani aka kire ni se Wajawa ye to ni onye Lumba that the Lumba yiri biom. Based on that and yanso itu buto se obi yiri na obi yiri die it depends on our kura ni panware Ghana ye wo mramye sa major mramye sa ebo awade ho ban ba ku ye customary marriage Bakuya ordinance marriage na bakuya Muhammadan marriage. Na Akosua Serwaa in Krata Balance and Nawadiano, a ordinance marriage under the German law. The batch of TNE.
Did you?
Under the ordinance law, no. Bremen to be Warim, or Waribaco. Under the ordinance law, you 3 find something Musa Wadiano. It's the court I order. You show me the certificate now. I was also or the better. You can't go court to Google. And the Broni, as far as we are concerned, it's your mistress. Lumba, we don't know anything. We respect all that. But don't mean that I will Ghana rep. And only a person who should penny near Broni, yes, Ghana position it here. Yes, any move on. Because one say, Mama, it's a man at the boy Humbra. And to say what Lumba won't on anything, then can't say no to do our affection for Lumba. You play a role in the funeral, but to suggest to say on a year, na Akosua Serwaa year. Now, if I choose Tamba, and I'm referring to the letter. Now, it shows how the man is not being straightforward. And you have a court, a dim, not court here orders, and sign a unit, the Edua ankofa wentu bi ama na tie. No enti letter no wait no we back up the ETC the court to declare say Akosua Serwaa nkwa na ere nothing on restraining Broni from conducting herself as a spouse because she can't be. She's a mistress. That is acceptable. And I believe, sir, any lawyer who gets the opportunity to look at the facts of the case would agree. You file an injunction. In the injunction application, we have annexed a copy of the certificate. And the lawyer be here word the source. Actually, application now. If the crowd man's on the entry, they will concede, they will proceed nominally in the come out.
Me take sides because me busiani. Yawa Ghana mamre, yawa Broni mamre. Muntie ni ye. Ghana mamre ni pache se onipa bia wo to a wo ya busia dia. Eniti na obi wu a na sabe ba bia be de da ne pono wo okunafo no ne ma ne pono ko na makwosre. Yimeme ma me mu ye kwosre. Baby, I say, you did that. A busiadia. The same time, no, you call a mremwa. Nia yasha ni kawami nua yayan wedded wife, no, or only what we call the legitimate wife. Muntian ye. It is our legitimate wife, no. You call a mremwa. She is the sole custodian of the body and the properties of the person who is what? Deceased. It's here two things. And we say you should Ghana mra, and I say you should Broni mra. That lumba, but now brochire. I'm aware the nomi of brochire, governed by the laws. Now me say you won't say that lumba, but I'm not saying by that lumba wa officially one could cover anymore. Ewo abrochire. And looking at the woman now has power. No more won't see no. And now. I do Broni so do Broni. No widow. It means that she is entitled to the properties of what? That lumba. And the first one, Onyabi. That is the truth. First one is supposed to say, only that lumba na I bring your properties no. But as soon as you show me, time na that lumba yara no. Why you not na? A dicey. Ni otina ne ho no hwe no ono ne yefa japade man anase ni ono ne bre nyaaye mini obi na dad lumba ba Ghana menya busuani na when na achiri po adomochiri o interview asem na asem yo kan e kwete mre ba e bechichi.
Yes, another matter that I just found out from this document that Daddy Lumba is a citizen of the Federal Republic of Germany. Federal Republic of Germany does not recognize dual citizenship. How complicated does that make the story?
Yeah, so the citizenship of an individual of a state does not necessarily affect the person's adherence to a certain set of customs. So if the person is not, as I said, Germany does not accept or recognize dual citizenship.
So you are only a German?
A German citizen. Yes. And once you are married under German...
So that Lumba is only German. So you cannot really import another law, so to speak, to govern anything he does. Whatever he does must be understood within the context of German law. It's not a dual citizen, it's not Germany and Ghanaian. You can be UK and Ghana.
Yeah.
You can be America and Ghana, but Germany is single.
Yes, so there are certain rights and customary practices he may decide to adhere to, just that they must fall in line and adhere to the terms of the German constitution and other civil codes.
So that makes it worse. Because then we cannot attribute the customary law to him because he's not even Ghanaian.
Yeah, but even beyond that, assuming that Germany accepted dual citizenship and he was both a German and a Ghanaian, that's assuming for sake of argument. So long as he married under the ordinance system, and that was the point that I had made.
Yeah, but I'm thinking this is making it stronger.
Oh yes. Yeah. I mean, in this instance, it's even relatively stronger because once as a German citizen and bound by German law, and didn't take steps to revoke the German revoke German citizenship, then it would be relatively difficult for a case to be made I do not, because it's sub judice, I do not want to make pronouncements on it thereof.
Very, very
but
interesting.
those are the issues.
And very complicated.
Those are the issues that the court
Remember to
has
put the
answer.
statement on our social media page for people to see it.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Good evening for those who sent me the message. I'm happy that you helped our program tonight. Let's get to the text messages and conclude on what Anzibai says. So you agree that this makes it more complicated?
Yeah, relatively. It makes it a
Okay,
bit
but
more.
if both Daddy Lumba and his wife are Germans, without recourse to another citizenship,
Yes.
are they able to appear and seek redress in Ghanaian courts?
Oh, his body is here. The funeral is going to be conducted here, most likely.
Yes, but
in Kumasi.
accessing the legal, you are German, so are they able to file before Ghanaian courts?
Yes.
Can Germans file before Ghanaian
You mean
courts?
the family, the current case as it is?
No, I mean the lady is German.
Yeah, so
German only. The
Yeah.
subject, Lumba, German only.
Yes.
The marriage, conducted and celebrated in Germany only.
yes, but the marriage is to be conducted in Ghana. Sorry, the funeral is to be conducted in Ghana. And in this instance, we
Yes.
need an injunction to stop the funeral from
but
ongoing.
if there are problems
And you know-
about the funeral,
You know, suits, the right to sue or initiate an action is not tied necessarily per citizenship.
It is
And
where
so,
the matter takes
where the
place.
accrues. So, for instance, you can have
so if
somebody
a contract is here,
the contract-
an American citizen can sue here.
and enforce
And enforce.
the contract, even though he's an American citizen. It happens all the time.
And now me to me Ghana ni. Eti law biya no. Me wa Ghana kroma, I'm entitled to what? I'm subjected to the laws of Ghana. And now me nim dia me wano are related to the laws of Ghana. But that Luma or a German citizen. I mo amoni no. Eti se mama no Germany no hwe German laws na a favor man na wa hu say owo position. But when you know to say na King Solomon kai when na vanity upon vanity. Nipa no peja pade nipo eno wan. Ye boni di on wan. Hwe emma mienu no Akosua Serwaa se wan ne odo Broni. 1 week mo ya de mane ye me fair. For the sake of the soul of that Lumba, put all your differences aside. Abusua pani so wo ya kasa do. Omo se maame ba ko ne anim no me pa acho enye sa na tie. Eye legend no wawu no oye Ghana dia. Ye wie na even property bi ne ye becha. And ye betu da court. Be ye ni die mu change sa date na be hadwen. Because me kasa me ni Ghana on the 7th. Into on the 7th na person copy. Na mu dim na mu ni no change date no na ko on the 7th a eye no emeto me. Me pa mo chaw. Into odo Broni ni Akosua whatever. Me pa mo chaw. Adjubre. The legend had fallen. Let's give him a befitting burial. Adie bi an kra ebeda ne no go say yes. Me call me kra echi no sebe. O ma nya me pasapasa. E pam chaw. Na Ghana for mema ye badu ya hofo. Ye tutu ye niama ye ansa na yakoye kra echi. Because esa e mama any oyere eye mobo. I expose you HFM Bembro subscribe share. Be the 2 man now so I can be man.